lads. Morning, boys. We're gonna go and pull the Subaru on the drive, just because she needs to be on the drive. And we're gonna take. Oh man, she looks good. I've just seen her around the corner. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Man, I didn't think how good she looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, she looks so good in the wet. Right, start her up. God, the bloody steering. Hang on, lads, I need my two hands. Oh. While she's warming up, lads, I just want to say, I had a few comments saying that, oh, you don't look too happy with the wrap, or you don't look happy with it all. I genuinely am happy with it. I genuinely do. Ruben knows I love it, but Ruben also knows that we've both had a really stressful week. It's been a really stressful week. From my end, because timing wasn't perfect, and from Ruben's end, because, well, timing wasn't perfect and he knew that. But the amount of shit that he's gone through, he's not even had his garage, and I'm not going to bore you all the details, but basically, he's not had his own space to do it, and that's basically the main thing. But we were both stressed out, and that's why my reaction wasn't perfect, but look at the car, man. She's so cool. I can't wait to get the wheels done. Now, I've had a lot of controversy. Everyone's saying go black. Everyone's saying try to match up the wheels with the stripes, but oh, I don't know. I mean, I might go around and see Tim today and have another word with him, just because I know he'll be working, so I'm going to have a word with him. A lot of people were saying about the spoiler as well, trying to get the spoiler, that colour. I don't want to do the spoiler, the blurple colour, that purpley blue colour. I don't want to do that. I think that'd be too over the top. Spoiler's going black. But look at the car, lads. It's just full of crap. It's literally just full of shit, and it's not a nice place to be at the minute. So I'm going to put it in the drive, and we're gonna get rid of all this shit, alright? And this door card's off, so I need to check if there's a speaker in next. I know there's not a speaker in next. I can't hear any fucking music coming from it. But I want to see if them vibes, them slicks, might actually fit in the back. Might actually use them after all. But we're going to get back on the drive. So there she is. On the drive. I love that colour. That colour's so good, man. So good. I just want something else here. I just feel like it's a little bit bare, but if I had something else there, maybe. Now, a lot of people say put the wheels that colour. I'm not sure how it'd look. I think it would look fucking sick. Now, so black is the safe option, but I don't know if I want to be safe with this car or not. I mean, I've gone pretty safe with the Nano Grey, but I feel like it's too safe at the minute. So I'm going to go speak to Tim. We're going to go try, I reckon, match up that colour. Or if we put the back ones that colour and the front one's black, maybe. Now, to everyone saying keep the spoiler off, I'll show you why it's not 100% advisable and why I don't necessarily want to do it, because I don't think it looks as cool as the spoiler. I mean, I got a Subaru for it with chavvy as fuck, and at the minute it looks clean, not chavvy as fuck. That's a good thumbnail. But another reason is because look at this spoiler on. So the spoiler mountings, we've not, you know, cut down and sanded back perfect flush, so you can still see the spoiler mountings there. So that's probably the main reason why I'm going to put the spoiler back on. Expected, there's no bloody speaker down here. Well, that's okay, because we're going to put one. See if it fits first. Oh no, someone wired their own connectors on and they're both the same size. I'm not sure which is deposit and which one's the ground, but we're just going to wing it and just see. Right, see if that one works. Let me see. But hey, Lockwood does things. It's working. There we go, now we've got the tunes in the back. Because this side speaker's done as well. Now we've got all good speakers all the way around. Yes, lads. Okay, the speakers are in. The weight's out. See to get the rest of my clothes out because it's like a second homeless fucking car. And then we can carry on with the day. First of all, I just got some stickers to post. I've not actually posted stickers for like the past 4 days or something, just because I've literally had no car. And I've literally been working all the time. You know, I've been this weekend I had about 4 or 5 butlering jobs, and I've had a normal job as well. But thank you for being patient. But yeah, I'm gonna send them first class today. So if you are waiting for a sticker and you've not got it, it's been sent first class, so don't worry. Anyway, we're gonna go and post the post, and then we're gonna go somewhere and get something that every single person has been asking for in the previous video. Every single person has been saying I need to get these, so we're gonna go and get some. Test out these new speakers in the back as well. Whoop whoop. I'm a happy bunny today, lads. I'm very happy. I'm just a lot happier today, trust me. So we're getting some pressed plates. Because every single person and his dog commented in the video saying, you need some press plates, some plates are off, we'll get them off. And they are. But while I'm waiting, I'm going to show you the 20k sticker. Here is the 20k sticker. It's quite small, I want it to be quite subtle, I didn't want it to be overwhelming like the 5k ones. I thought they were a little bit too big. But they're nice and small, about that size. Lockwood, 20k. There you go, lads. Everyone stop shouting at me in the fucking comments now about, oh, look at them terrible plates. I've got some new ones, lads, don't you worry. Come to work and drill because I know the drill's there, I know it's a decent drill, and we've got a bench. If I went home, I'd have to be searching for my crappy drill for 20 minutes after that, do it on my knee or something. So I'm just going to go and work and do it. It's 10 times easier, lads. So this one's going to be easy, the back one's going to be easy. It's the same shape, so just put it over the top and drill. Front ones are going to be difficult because I've gone with a normal one, not that one. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of measuring. I'm going to measure this, find the middle, measure that, find the middle, and then mark up the middles, and then go from there. That marked up the middle of that. I'm just going to measure each side, just to double check. Let's get them on the car, see if they look even. Got the rear one. Front one, so much better. So much better. And that looks better. Can I just take pictures of it from now from the front without looking cheap? Makes cars look so much more cleaner and more expensive. Love it. Love it. They were difficult to drill them, not gonna lie. Also, my bloody windscreen is mega dirty and my washers have stopped working, so I'm guessing the fuse has gone because I can't hear the motor working when I'm pressing it. So let's check the fuses. The coin tray, open the coin tray and pull the coin tray out. And there's actually no diagram, so it must be on the back of there then. Here we go. Okay, so rear wiper washer, 30 amp. No, this is annoying because is it upside down? Let me open this bloody door. Only one on that end, so that means it's that one. That one is that one. So one, 2 in, 30 amp. This one here. Jesus, bloody Nora. Need some pliers. Fine, that's worrying. I kind of wanted it to not be fine. Just double check the motor's not working. Oh no, the motor is working. I've probably just not got no screen wash. Let me have a look. No, we've got screen wash, which means something is fucking frozen or something like that. I might just hold it for a few seconds, see if it pulls it through. For God's sake. Well, I think I know why, lads. They're not on. That'll be because Rubens had the scoop off. Okay, that's fair enough. Let's put them back on. Here we go. Buzzing, buzzing. Bulking season is starting again, lads. I've been really I've not been focusing on my fitness these past few months or something. Past 3 months. So I've not been really gaining that much. But it's getting onto buttering season now, and you know it's. I'm gonna start proper getting to training again. I'm gonna stop slacking, lads. I'm gonna get to the gym as much as possible. It's just I've just not been mindset for the gym at the minute, but bulking season starting again, boys. Trust me. Right, I am going to work now, so I am gonna end the video here. But I just want to say I am gonna start reviewing cars now. I have got a GoPro. And the weather's getting a lot better, so I am going to start reviewing cars. So if you've got a cool car, or you know anyone who's got a cool car, message me. I'm not going to do these reviews where you don't say anything bad about the car. If there's something I don't like about the car, I'm going to fucking tell you, and I'm going to tell all of YouTube what I don't like about the car, and I'm going to honestly review everything I drive. So if you know anyone, or you do have a car that you want me to drive, let me know, and we'll start doing them once. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for all supporting Subaru as well. All of you absolutely love it, and I'm getting all the messages about the wheels I should do and all that stuff. But I've done some polls on Instagram, so I'm going to do what the poll says. My hair's a mess. I do know, lads. Leave me alone. But thanks for watching, lads. I love you all. I'll see you next time.